Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the wishing action in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how the wishing action looks like. Okay, this is the wishing action and it will bless you with the Astralis Blessing. As you can see right here, I'm blessed by the Astralis for about 2 minutes. Okay, and to get this action guys, you need to find Doris during the Meteor Shower weather. Okay, now is the Meteor Shower weather, as you can see. Okay, when this weather is coming, you need to immediately find Doris, and usually she's at the fishing village. Okay, and then you can talk to her to go to the fortune store, and then you're going to scroll down and then you will find the wishing action. Wish upon shooting stars. Okay, and you can use this action guys with your friend to unlock the hidden achievement. Wait, let me show you. I've already unlocked the hidden achievement called Beneath the Meteor Shower. Okay guys, and that's how you can find, or that's how you can get the wishing action in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.